Continuing with the weather and the climate of Asia. The climate of the Asia, it is influenced by all the factors that we have done in the previous video. Now the first of the climatic type, that is the tundra. Now it lies to the north of Asia, the northernmost part, which is very close to the Arctic Circle. Now there, throughout the whole time period, the long cold winter season is there and the short cool summers, they are there. The ground remains frozen. Subsoil is also frozen. Permafrost type of the condition, it exists over there. Very little vegetation is there, generally in the form of the mosses and the lichens. We have the taiga type of the climate, which is just south of the tundra, and the whole stretch of the coniferous trees that is found over here. And the winters, they are extremely cold, and the short duration of the summer season, that is also found over here. But the amount of the precipitation, the snowfall, that is same as of the tundra region. The next one that we have is the Manchurian type of the climate. Now it is in the northeastern part of China, and it runs all the way till Japanese island of Hokkaido. The type of the climate, it has the cold winters. Summers is usually short and warm. Moderate amount of the rainfall, as similar to the monsoon rainfall, is there. But during the time of the winters, the temperature, it can go into the minus. The next one that we have is the China type of climate. The China type of the climate, it is found in central China, Japan and Korea. Now the winds, they are the major source of creating this type of the climate that it exists. The region lies between the trade winds belt. So there is the moderate amount of the rainfall throughout the whole year. Winters are comparatively cooler and the summers, they are hot. But it is the summer time period that the region, it receives the more amount of rainfall. The next one we have is the mid-latitude desert type of the climate. Now it is in the region of north and northeast of the China type of the climate. And the region is in the temperate desert area that covers the area from the steppes and goes across to the Mongolian plateau. Now the area has the hot summers with very less amount of the rainfall, and the winters, they are extremely cold and below the freezing point. Then we have the temperate grassland. Now this is experienced in the southwest of Siberia and also in the eastern region of Mongolia. Rainfall is very less because it is the steppes of the grassland region. So the grasses, they are found over here. The presence of trees is very less because the amount of rainfall is very low. Then we have the Mediterranean type of the climate. Now Mediterranean type of the climate, it is found in the areas where the Mediterranean Sea is found to be located. Now this type of the climate is hot and dry in summers, and cold and wet winters are found over here. Then we have the next one, that is the tropical desert type of the climate. Arabian desert and Thar desert, Saudi Arabia and India and Pakistan, they have this type of the climate. Now diurnal range of the temperature is found over here. Day and night temperature is in extreme. The summers, they are hot, and the winters, they are cold, and very little amount of the rainfall, it occurs during the summer season. Then we have the monsoon type of the climate. Indian subcontinent region, it is vastly and hugely affected by the monsoon winds. Now here, moving according to the seasonal belt, the winters, they are very cold, and the summers, they are very hot, with almost a huge amount of the rainfall experienced in the Asian countries. Then we have the equatorial type of the climate. All the places that fall at the line of the equator, they experience the equatorial type of the climate, which is very hot and which is very humid. Huge amount of the rainfall is experienced over here. There is no dry season because rainfall is equally distributed throughout the whole year. Now this rainfall, it is at its highest point during the equinoxes. Now equinoxes is the time period when the sun crosses the plane of the Earth's equator, and then what would happen? The day and the night, it would be approximately of the same time period. So in Asia, equatorial type of the climate is found in the countries that lies within 0 to 10 degree north and south, both the side of the equator.